I can honestly say I never thought I would see the day where a 700 horsepower truck would only be in the top 3 as far as horsepower available in the trucks.
It's time to get to work. Let's get to work, boys.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have officially entered the golden age of trucks. The truck market has been going absolutely insane in recent time period. You've got Dodge releasing the TRX truck with like 702 horsepower. You've got Ford answering to that by putting a new 725 to 750 horsepower in the new 2021 Ford Raptor. And taking the cake, you have Hummer dropping a all-electric truck coming in 2021, topping out at 1,000 horsepower. Let's just take a second to think about the fact that a 702 horsepower truck is only the 3rd most powerful truck that you can buy on the market today. That is insane. This is the basic concept that competition pushes progress forward, and I am all about it. For the longest time, the Ford Raptor was the completely undisputed king of the road, king of the Baja trucks, the most, it had a 6.2 liter V8 engine at one point, and even the V6 that it has right now still produces around 450 horsepower, and it essentially had no rival. And then Dodge does what they do best, and that is show up and drop insanely large engines that produce crazy amounts of horsepower. In the TRX model, they have a 6.2 liter V8 engine that produces 702 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. And while all of that sounds crazy impressive, and to some degree it is, Hummer is completely changing the game, taking the industry and flipping it on its head. They're releasing an all-electric Hummer truck model that is estimated to produce 1,000 horsepower. It is going to go 0 to 60 in just above or just under 3 seconds. I can't remember if it was just over or just under. And it is supposed to produce 11,500 pound-feet of torque. This is from a completely electric model truck. But Hummer didn't want to just stop there with the crazy horsepower and crazy torque numbers. The features that are in this truck are going to be revolutionary, and I have never seen them on anything before. One of the features that I'm talking about right now is called a crab drive feature. And what that allows the truck to do is, if it needs to go sideways, instead of going and gradually turning at an angle, the wheels are going to be able to completely turn sideways, and the truck will be able to go sideways driving without having to go forward and make the turn. I mean, this is just insane. This truck comes with multiple different drive modes, as well as something that they're calling extract mode. And this is supposed to be used for when you take it off-road. It has an adaptive air ride suspension that allows the truck to raise itself up to 6 inches. So essentially the truck comes with a pre-built-in 6-inch lift kit in the form of a sort of custom air ride suspension. Now granted, none of these trucks have actually hit the road yet, so we don't know if the numbers that they're promising us in all these videos and all these, releases that they're showing us are going to actually be what shows up out of the factory and on our roads today. But without a doubt, the standard has been set and the bar has been raised, and it would not surprise me whatsoever if we see the car industry following suit as well to reflect, the insane push for more and more and more that the truck industry is clearly doing. So I want to hear from you guys in the comments down below. Which truck are you most excited about? What feature are you most excited to see and would like to see? Hope that it lives up to the hype. I want to hear your guys' opinions and your guys' thoughts on all these crazy new trucks and the crazy new standards that we're seeing within the automotive industry. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave all that stuff down in the comments below, and we'll see you guys on the next video.